I'm Jared Corey, and this is my final project, an automated decoy thrower. If I take the back off, we can see on the inside, we have the Arduino, and the accelerometer is right here for sensing that the thrower actually does the throw, because it'll shake it. We have the sound sensor right here, which has its little spot right there, and then the input, and on the top we have the LCD screen. So if I plug it back in, we can show it working. And I can press a button, 5, and now it says countdown time is 5 seconds. And as you can see, normal speaking isn't setting off the sound sensor. We have that for something higher, like a gunshot, which is what I'd use if I was training my dog. And I can always reset using the pound. It says waiting for input again, and then can press 4. And now, make a loud enough noise, the motor is waiting. It's counting down, 2, 1, 0. It'll turn 90% of the way to push the lever arm down. And now, since it hasn't sensed the thrower working, it's waiting for that. And if the accelerometer feels that, it finishes that 100% rotation. Okay, so here we have the housing, the input, the sound sensor goes right there, and we have the LCD screen on top, all hooked to the stepper motor with the shell gear. Right now I just have a piece of cardboard loaded because it's snowing outside and I don't want to throw something into the wall. I have the accelerometer hooked up, so if the thrower doesn't go right away, because it is getting a little old, the stepper motor will only turn 90% of the way and wait until it feels a shake, because this thing shakes a lot when it throws. And then it'll finish the 100% and go back to where it started. We load it, or cock it. Okay, so we got it cocked, waiting for input. I can do press 5, 9, whatever. Still have the reset that works. And then if I go to 3, talking, doesn't set it off. It's been about 3 seconds, still no movement. But then if I used a gun or something louder, and it spins and launches and finishes.